has maintained the Constituency Development Fund, CDF, is illegal while addressing the senators through a recorded video during their second-day induction retreat in Nakuru. Koome added that the Supreme Court is committed to protecting and defending the devolution and the gains made through a devolved system. Shadrach Areria with that story.
The senators ate day 2 of their induction retreat in Naivasha, Nakuru County.
In all our committees, is there a way JLAC can then try to consult with the judiciary so that we don't continue wasting public funds?
Chief Justice Martha Koome drew a recorded video called on the senators to play an authoritative role of overseeing and protecting the constitution mandate, the CJ stating that the Supreme Court is committed to defend the devolution.
In the court's protective capacity, honorable members, courts serve to defend fundamental elements of the constitutional order from being altered or destroyed. In such contexts, such as ours, with a history of authoritarian rule.
Koome used the platform to reiterate that the Constituency Development Fund, CDF, is illegal as it interferes with the devolved function of the counties in executing their roles.
It is unconstitutional to allocate funds to the CDF before the division of revenue between the national and county governments. In addition, it was the position of the Supreme Court that the CDF offends the division of functions between the national and county governments to allow a CDF an instrumentality of the national government to undertake functions devolved to the counties. This clearly underscored the separation of power and that delivery of service is devolved to the county.
Koome stated that the courts have been the foremost defender of the devolution, noting that when the devolution was threatened, the court stepped in to defend.
Therefore, are the foremost to defend the devolution. In every instance where devolution has been threatened, the courts have listened to the calling, and specifically the Supreme Court has stepped in to defend the spirit of the devolution. On the 15th May 2020, the Supreme Court rendered an advisory opinion on how the recurrent failure between the Senate and the National Assembly to agree on the division of revenue bill would be resolved.
Shadrach Areria, Look Up TV.